In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in Asana using the timeline view. First, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Asana account. Using Chrome helps ensure everything loads smoothly and integrations behave as expected. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace so your schedule ends up in the right place. If you manage multiple accounts, double check the profile icon to confirm you're using the intended organization. Next, open the project where you want to build your schedule. You can find it from the sidebar or by using the search bar at the top. Choose the project that will hold the work you want to visualize over time, whether it's a product launch, an event plan, or a content calendar. Now switch the project to the timeline view. At the top of the project, select timeline so you can see your work laid out across dates. Timeline gives you a horizontal calendar-like view with bars that represent tasks. This is where your schedule will come to life and where you'll make most adjustments visually. Start adding tasks with clear start and due dates. Click to add a new task directly on the timeline or use the Add Task button. Then name it so anyone can understand its purpose at a glance. Set the start date to indicate when work should begin and the due date to mark when it should be completed. If a task spans multiple days, the timeline will display a bar across that range. You can include helpful details in the task description so context is easy to find later. With your task created, use the timeline to arrange and refine the schedule. Click and drag each taskbar to shift it forward or backward in time. Grab the ends of a bar to extend or shorten the duration if you need more or less time. Use the zoom controls to see the big picture or zoom in for day-by-day precision. Keep an eye out for overlaps that could cause bottlenecks and pace tasks so the workload looks realistic. If your team observes weekends or holidays, adjust dates to account for non-working days. Finally, share the project with your team for collaborative scheduling. Click share in the project and invite teammates so everyone has access to the same timeline. Set the appropriate permissions and let them know the plan is ready for review. A brief note in the project can help explain the schedule and highlight any priorities. That's it. Log in, open your project, switch to timeline, add dated tasks, arrange them visually, and share. You now have a clear, collaborative schedule in Asana.